We'll guide you through how to deploy your GitHub project to Vercel. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to Vercel's website and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, click on the New Project button. You'll see an option to import from GitHub. Click on Import GitHub Repository. If it's your first time, you might need to authorize Vercel to access your GitHub account. Follow the prompts to grant access. After that, you'll see a list of your GitHub repositories. Select the one you want to deploy. Once you select your repository, you'll be taken to a configuration page. Here, you can configure the framework preset. Vercel automatically detects the framework you are using, but you can manually choose one if necessary. Check the build command and output directory to ensure they're correct. Usually, Vercel sets these up automatically based on the framework, but you can enter custom commands if needed. Next, click on the Deploy button. Vercel will start building your project. You can watch the build logs to see the progress. Once the build is complete, Vercel will provide you with a URL where your project is deployed. You can click on this link to view your live project. If you need to make changes, simply push updates to your GitHub repository, and Vercel will automatically trigger a new deployment. This makes it super easy to keep your project up to date with the latest changes. And that's it. You're all set with deploying your GitHub project to Vercel. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.